Ya, yayibona le video le eyamadoda amakhulu. Bekuzalwa wona namhlanje.
Happy birthday madoda amakhulu. Sizobashaya hashtag yamfo kakuhle. Kanjani
Video enhle kangaka.
ujongile bekufanele bakushola sawabadibana phambili.
Di country tse tse qalang ka letter J. Nigeria. Letter J. Joburg. I tell you actually upo.
Molweni bafethu, I hope everybody is doing great. Wherever you are watching this video from, this salute lapho. Welcome back to your favorite channel. We're back again with the best local content Mzansi. Now yayaz. Let's go.
Can you please say Mohammed 3 times?
Mohammed.
Can you please say 2 more times?
Mohammed.
What did I write?
Ashamed.
Ini?
Ashamed.
I'm giving the same thing.
Hi Putunjani. Hi. Sorry. Hi Putunjani. Sinechila simana pendlini sicela bafana man sifuna bafana ubhizi uyapi buti?
Bafana. Ndibhizanga ziyapi?
Ayikho into ebaleke njengokujima uyigade lento esisikhulu ushaye nje noma 100 noma 50 nje 48 49 50 yeah 50 lo yanto sha
One thing what you all know, don't get so very lucky, is that I'm the real Jesus.
You're the real Jesus. Where are you coming from?
I come from heaven, my brother, but I come from the womb of a mother to walk on this earth.
Yes.
That is how I come to this earth. And this is the final chapter. This world is coming to its end. That's the final time I come to this world to share the truth with you all and the love of God. And for those who take me for a joke, the joke is on them. Because this world is coming to an end. And those who take me for a joke and who don't listen to the truth I used to share with them, they will never enter heaven. And that is the truth. And you will not nail me on a cross this time. It's not going to happen this time. For telling the truth.
Never paid the man.
And that you can be sure of.
Ja, mbimvana. Ifake indida.
Jesus ubetha ngophaqa beAdidas.
Ubani udecline bo? Ubani udecline? Ubani udecline? Sesinemali lekhadi le. Lisho phepha. Inemali kule lekhadi sisi. Ubani lo udecline?
Ba wena wazibayo.
Ubani udecline?
Wazi approve.
Uphindela umnuka. Ngithi sisi ngine
Hayibo. Eyakho le.
Lena yakabani?
Angiyazi mhlawumbe ufike nawe wenzela ukuthi
Eyakho iphi phone ngeke?
Ungaphethe phone mina ngifeze.
Eyakho iphi phone?
Ngingedwa nje ngingaphethe phone. Angazi phone, angazi lucky, angasiya, angazi lutho.
Okay, xa ingeyo phone yakho lena iphi yakho phone?
Uyambona kusezosiqhatha ke manje usukhombisa.
Aka ndiyabuza lo xa ingeyo phone yakho iphi yakho phone?
Eyamshuthisa ngishiye endlini echarging
Ushiye
My sister, you're gonna act like we are crazy in front of you. Open this phone, my sister.
Hayi makhulu ndilambile njena.
Kuze zoquthu bakhulu.
ezingaka.
Hayi makhulu. Hayi makhulu.
Bali imali amndiyibona, ngiyaphangela. Andiboni into endiyenza ngemali.
Ningayilibali polo.
Cela ningincede. Imali ndiyayibona kodwa andiyenzi into. Ngenxa kotshwala.
Uthi bokuzoshiywa ke ngoku akakwazi ushiywa bafethu. No. Buphi ubuntu?
Ya ne. Mara ngena notice ukuthi Facebook these days angeke usakhona ukuyivula eTexini. Uthi uyivula nje. Baba. Indunu out of nowhere. And umuntu okhona la wesikhona umfollow nokumfollow.
Mina ngizwani nesishimane. Ngoba isishimane ngiyangibona sengathi akahlakaniphile kahle hle. Umuntu ongakwazi ukushela intombi, osabi intombi, nanku umhlolo bo.
Hayi uthethile umhlolozi.
Kwakhuluma iphimbo lalathi iphuma enkonzweni. Amen. Ngashiya khona lapha edeskini ngaphuma ngayo enkonzweni. Ngashiya lapha edeskini ngathi iphimbo lithi angihambe ngenkonzweni. Kodwa ngaphasa ngamalengiso.
Jesus.
Ngoba kwathi masengibuya ngakusasa kanti ngalelo la uNkulunkulu ethi ngiphume ngiye enkonzweni kubhalwe isifundo esisodwa. Kuthatha kubhalwa ngakusasa kwabhala izifundo eziningi ngayiphasa zonke zakhava lesi. Ngiyagiza ukuthi ngithini lapho ngibhala lezi zifundo kwakunomuntu ongitshela ukuthi bhala lo. Ingane la ikhanga umthetho asikho nje isidingo sokuthi
What? Oh yo cap. Yo yaphusisa lo baba ngumfundisi. That's terrible advice. Aibo.
The problem about you, Sizwe, you love too much. You fall in love easily. Too much.
It's like you are desperate for love.
You are desperate for love. Hey, are you desperate?
What's wrong?
Hey?
Don't be desperate.
Hey.
Rekhodisa abantu kakubile. Unzimba iproducer damn xa umamele zazinto. Don't be desperate for love, eh? I hope you enjoyed today's video bafethu. Until the next one. Sure.